Hello everyone and welcome. What I have today is an Abus e20 that has been giving me fits since I got it. I got this from my buddy Tony S. His channel is Tony S. Locks. Very awesome picker, very great guy. Please check him out. But there's three of us that have this exact same lock with the exact same key, and it has stumped all of us. But I got this lunatic pick in. I'll show you real quick why I think this is going to work. All right, let me hold it better. See, once you get in there, this will actually set those back pins without oversetting this one, which has been the problem with, like, even the SS Dev hook. It won't get in there and get up quite high enough without oversetting. So I'm going to try it with I'm actually going to use both picks. Sorry, my voice is a little off. I've got a little bit of a cold. I think I've been sick more this year than I have my entire life combined. Alright, now you're going to see a lot of wiggling because it's kind of hard getting this really tall pick through here. Alright, let me just get it to the back. Yeah, this pick makes opening this lock possible, but it does not make it easy by any stretch of the imagination. There we go. Alright, we're in a little bit of a false set. Oh, that sucks. Need to order me another SS Dev set. And there we go. Got it open. Now let's gut this thing. Make sure we're focused there. There we go. All right, I do have a key for this one, so we'll lock it up. All right. You can see everything. Let me focus. Everything needed to be picked. Alright, pin 1, pin 2, 3, 4, 5. Hold on. 5 and 6. Yeah, a couple of these key pins are very interesting. 2 and 3 are spooled torpedo-looking pins, which is really cool to see out of key pins. Sorry for the sniffle in the voice, guys. All right. Driver 1 is a long spool. Driver 2 is pretty much serrated at the tips. 3 is a spool. 4 is not really sure what to call. I'll give you a close-up of it in a little bit. 5 is a standard. 6 is a standard. All of these springs are the same, so we'll just dump them out there. All right. All right. See, that one's got, let me try to focus a little better. It's got kind of a step down tapering at the ends. 1 and 3 are these really long spools, and 2 is serrated at the ends. Oh. Yeah, let's see. This is one of those key pins I was talking about. It's like a kind of a torpedo spooled key pin. See if we can get a better look at it like this. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That was our Abus E20. Give you one more close-up of these pins. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.